This will serve as the final opportunity for all passengers on Allegiant Flight 1323 with service to Sanford to proceed through the TSA security checkpoint to gate number 1. Next we'll call priority passengers along with our Allegiant card holders. Exit row passengers are seated in rows 12 and 14. Once those are complete, we'll begin our
Please notify flight attendant will be happy to receive you. For everyone's safety, federal regulations prohibit the use of cellular networks during flight. In preparation for departure, please ensure that personal electronic devices are now in airplane mode. Federal law does prohibit the consumption of alcohol you may have brought aboard, and we will not serve alcoholic beverages to anyone who appears to be intoxicated. Welcome aboard. Good morning and welcome aboard our flight to Sanford. We ask for your full attention as we demonstrate the safety features of this aircraft. A safety information card is located at your seat. Please follow along as we cover this important information. This aircraft has 10 exits. There are 2 doors in the front, 4 overwing window exits. Let's try this again. We ask for your full attention to demonstrate the safety features of this aircraft. A safety information card is located at your seat. Please follow along as we cover this important information. This aircraft has 8 exits. There are 2 doors in the front, 4 window exits over the wings, and 2 doors in the back. Each door is equipped with an evacuation slide. All exits are clearly marked with illuminated exit signs and instruction for operation. In an emergency, floor path lighting illuminates the direction to all exits. Please take a moment to locate the exits nearest to you, keeping in mind that they may be behind you. To fasten your seatbelt, place the flat metal fitting into the buckle, pull on the loose strap to tighten. To release, lift the upper portion of the buckle. When the seatbelt sign is on, whenever you are seated, fasten your seatbelt low and tight across your hips. Our cabin is pressurized for your comfort and safety. If this should change, oxygen masks will drop from the panel above your seat and in the lavatory. Pull down the mask to start the flow of oxygen. Place the mask over your nose and mouth, securing it with the elastic strap. Life vests are located under each passenger seat. Do not remove the life vest unless told to do so by a crew member. To use, remove the life vest from its container and tear open the package. Remove the life vest and place it over your head with the panels on your chest. Wrap the strap around your waist, fasten it in the front, and pull on the loose end to tighten. Once outside the aircraft, inflate your life vest by pulling down the right inflation tab or by blowing into the red tube. Including chewing intimate with tobacco are prohibited at all times. Federal regulations require passengers to observe all lighted signs and placards and comply with crew member instructions. It is a federal offense to tamper with, disable, or destroy a lavatory smoke detector. We are here for your comfort and safety. Please report any disruptive or inappropriate behavior to the flight attendant immediately. At this time, please ensure your seatbelt is fastened, your tray table is stowed, and all carry-on items are securely put away. If you are located in an aisle seat, please lower your armrest as we now prepare for takeoff. If there's anything we do to make your flight more enjoyable, please don't hesitate to ask. We invite you to sit back, relax, and enjoy the flight to Sanford.
Aft cabin secure.
It is our pleasure to welcome you to Sanford. For your continued safety and the safety of those around you, please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened and ensure all carry-on items remain stowed and out of the aisle. Once the aircraft is at the gate and the captain has turned off the fasten seatbelt sign, it will be safe to move out the cabin and gather your belongings. Please use caution when opening overhead bins. Items do tend to shift during flight. Please refrain from smoking or vaping until inside the terminal and only do so in designated areas. You may now use your mobile phones and other handheld electronic devices. Please refrain from using laptop computers at this time. If you are claiming luggage in Sanford, please follow the signs to baggage claim. Our uniform representative will be happy to assist you regarding ground transportation or baggage claims. On behalf of your entire Sanford-based crew, we'd like to thank you for choosing to fly with us today. It's been our pleasure serving you. We hope to see you on another Allegiant flight soon. Thank you. Flight attendants prepare doors for arrival. Cross check and stand by for all calls.